All right, hey, how you doing? This is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've reviewed over 3,000 of them, and I know a thing or two about them, so I want to show you everything I can about them. That kind of works better. Anyway, today I've got one from Indonesia. Some nice people make these. This is from Best Wok. It's their sambal seafood mi goreng. And I'm going to show you how to really do this sucker up. I think you'll enjoy. So you got a dually and a single. Got boiling water right here. And we're going to add the noodles to the boil. Back on boil for 3 minutes. Oh, there we go. So yeah, boiling water. And again, for the guy who is like, hey, it seems like I'm seeing more of you than actual cooking. Let me set that up. Get that all set for you. Here we go. And that is a pot of boiling water with a block of instant noodles in it. Just for your reference. Not trying to be a douchebag or nothing, but you know. It's just like... But I am actually appreciative of that comment. I want to be a little more aware of what you're seeing. So anyways, 2 minutes and 10 seconds left on the cooking aspect of the noodles. So what's going on today? I'm not even going to bother talking about the whole Brett Kavanaugh thing. I think everybody's talked about it more than enough. I think if you want information about it, you can... Who knows? By the time this comes out, he's probably going to be a Supreme Court justice. That would be my guess. It didn't work so well for the other, what was it, Anita Hill and Clarence Thomas. So, yeah. I'm sure you guys can guess where I'm leaning on this. My whole thought, and I'll just leave it at this: it's a lifetime appointment to be on the Supreme Court. Therefore, I think everything in your lifetime is fair game for disqualifying you. And if there's that much doubt and this much ruckus over it, sorry, no. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I don't know. Weird stuff, silly political stuff. A lot of people really don't like... There was a guy who was like, I don't even care about politics. I'm not even from the U.S. But I was wearing a Trump shirt at the time. And they're like, I'm not going to subscribe. This is just another one of these people. Blah, 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 blah. I just ruined a good thing about noodles. It's like, you're having a tantrum over a t-shirt. What happened? Humanity used to be so beautiful. You used to be able to take a punch, but no. Not anymore. Nobody can take anything. I don't know. Society. But hey, has anybody seen the new Deadpool movie? Huh? I want to see that. I want to see the new Star Trek that's coming out. Really bad. I don't know when it is, but Patrick Stewart's going to be Jean-Luc Picard again. So that is going to be super awesome and cool. Engage, Mr. LaForge. Or Mr. Data. Or... God, as long as they don't put frickin' Will Wheaton back in that. Please, God, no. I'm sorry. I really am not a big... I'm a big fan of Shut Up, Wesley. I'm not a big fan of Wesley. When I told my wife that the first time, she was like, oh, were you, like, jealous when you were a kid that he was on the Starship Enterprise and you weren't? I never really thought of it that way, but... Yeah, I guess I was. So we have 2 dry sachets. One has powder and one has fried onion. Making a mess. Gotta clean it up. I'm gonna put that in there. Oh, you're not able to see this. Oh, don't use your imagination. No! Here, I'll fix that. Oh, damn it. That Ramen Rater doesn't show us open up the sachets. Okay, here we go. There. Nose in my food a little bit, why don't you? Here we go. So this is seafood sambal flavor. We're also going to add in this little liquid sachet. And come on. Ugh. There. See, I don't want that little piece to end up in the food because it's happened before, and as most of you know, I have very poor eyesight, and therefore I'm like enjoying a bite of something, and then it's like, oh, this part's a little chewy. Almost seems plasticky. Oh, I see. It's not a food. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Beauty. Alright. It smells really prawny. That's what I'm getting out of it. Prawn and like cumin. The other ones these guys make are just fantastic. So I'm guessing this might be following suit with that tradition of tasty. So let's find out. It smells very cumin and prawn. All right. Here we go. Mmm. Nice little bite. Loving it. Okay. Squid. Fish ball. Fish ball. Fish ball. Squid. Come on, pick up some of that color. A little bit, please. No, you're going to be a pain in the butt and not pick up any of that color. You should. You should do it. Just a little. Humor me at least. Alright. Now, how do I... There, that's... Okay, that's all you're going to get. So I got these things. Now you're going to be like, what the heck is that? This is Kerupuk Achi? Krupuk? I don't know. But it's dang good, folks. And generally, there's only one place I can find them. And that is a wonderful little store called Warong Jajanan on Highway 99 in the Edmonds area. Just north of 99 Ranch Market by just the tiniest amount. It's in the next block north and it's on the same side. Definitely go there. But they're crisp and they just like make Mi Goreng really happy. Mi Goreng goes, oh dude, I know you. How you doing? Yeah. Literally, I mean that's what it does. Gonna throw some of that on there. Oh no, it got on the plate. Oh, sorry. I'm a little weird sometimes. But it's necessary. Isn't it? I think it is. I could be wrong. Don't get cross with me. And there's some squid, some fish ball. Mix these up a little bit. A little bit of presentation never hurt. But, dang. And on top we're going to throw... I wish I had some coriander, but I do not. So I've got to use spring onion. I do have coriander, but it's just like... Its day is past. As are the mung bean sprouts. Didn't make it to the store. So I gotta get some more. Right here on the floor. Well, not on the floor, but there we go. And gosh, what else do we need here? Oh, we could use a little bit of bone chabe. Bone chabe, the way to go if you want to go there. That was by no means a little bit. It's a spicy blend. It's good stuff. Whew. And I'm gonna use some fried onion. That's one of my favorite things for mi goreng, and it comes with fried onion, but I just can't get enough of any. I just really like fried onion. So there's a skosh more. And to really round things out, this really deserves this stuff. There's two brands that are popular in Indonesia. There's Dua Belibas, and it's a spicy sweet sauce. And, I mean, you can use it like ketchup on hot dogs, but it's got some kick to it, right? There's Dua Belibas. There's ABC. I think that's way more than enough, and I think that's actually making the color too much of that. But yeah, I'm calling it good right there, yo. So yeah, mi goreng, spicy. It's a sambal, seafood sambal seafood from Best Wok. And, you know, make it look a little bit more. It really doesn't need it. Sesame seeds. Can't go wrong with garnishing with sesame seeds. All right. Well, there you are. So you've got the mi goreng in the middle. You've got this crunchy element. You've got seafood all around. You got a little bit of crispy onion. You've got the bone chabe kicking on the shrimp. And you have spring onion. So there you go. I'm going to be doing a little bit more Indonesian stuff and Malaysian stuff. I just got a box of Malaysian varieties. I'm like, ugh. Two different mi gorengs. I think it's a spicy chicken and a spicy tom yum. Yeah, Maggie. Giller something. Giller Padas Giller. And some new Mami Shinsegai stuff. If you have any idea what that is. If you don't, then you'll just see it and enjoy it, I hope. Anyways, thank you very much. It's been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and you get to watch things every day that pop up, like these things right here. Anyways, well, cool. Have a good one, and bye.